Here's the app called Pixly Live Photo AI Animator. Animate any images to video. So here is the app. You can just double click to install it. Revive old photos, muscle search effect, create epic photo shoots, bring photos to life, capture a selling photo, create your photo dance, top pico art effects. So yeah, our memories often exist only in old photographs, but what if you could bring these old photos to life and see what loved ones might look if they were still with us? And then there is a Pixly app, and then the live photo special effects, photo shoot for your car, AI dance. So yeah, kind of cool idea. And then just open it up. And there are a lot of this AI photos app, and there are a lot of these filters where you can just use a muscular filter, Jesus, tada. You can create TikTok heat filter, smoking photo, male filters, female filters, cars, fun, heroes, horror transformations, and then you just create all of these filters which you decide, and then there are all your projects, and yeah, unfortunately you will need to upgrade for that. Yeah, so there is no free option, and there is no free trial. So that's just what it is. I hope there would be some kind of referral code, but no, there is no anyone. So, try it out. It's quite a good app. I wouldn't say this is the best app in this category, but it's a quite decent one.